Welcome to Ignite, online robotics platform where kids learn robotics courses online at their home at their convenient time. Arduino Pro 1 is the robotics course where kids learn programming with practical projects without hassles of any hardware and software. This project is for 9 to 14 years kids. What kids will learn in this Arduino Pro 1? So they will learn the two projects. The projects one is to program to make the LED on off with the help of Arduino microcontroller, and they will do the complete programming on simulator. So these projects can be useful to they see in the decoration in the Christmas or in Diwali, they see the LED on off LED on off there. So that same LED on off they can do in this simulator project. The project 2 is to make the different types of LED patterns with the help of programming, so that they can do, and that they can relate with the LED patterns they see in the decorations, in which the multiple LEDs are getting on and off gradually. They can also make their alphabets name, if the name is Dinesh, then the D they can make with the help of the LED, and that on off they can do. So this type of projects they can make in this. So how they are going to do that, what are the basics going to cover in this? So kids will learn basics of Arduino microcontroller, how it works basically, what are the pin diagram, how to use it to make different projects, that we will cover in this. Then they will learn about the software which is used in this, that is Tinkercad. That software, they will understand the basics of that software, how to use it, how to use the electronic component in that, they will understand in that. After that, they will understand about the basics of programming, block type, scratch based programming, they will learn in this, and they will develop the different types of programs with that. After completion of this Arduino Pro 1, kids will be able to make many projects related to LED patterns. After completion, they can go for the next course, that is Arduino Pro 2, in which they will learn about the 7-segment LED, which generally you can see in the lift or in the calculator display. The digit which is shown, like in lift, you go to the first floor or second floor, the digit which is shown, that is made up of generally the 7-segment LED. So that 7-segment LED they can make, and they can do the programming in the second project. This is Arduino Pro 2. Same way, they can go for the courses like home automation system, they can go for the programmable robotic car, they can go for the sensor based robots, where they can make the different types of projects which all are sensor based. So that way they can go for the different types of robotics courses. So if you are interested for the robotics courses, you can contact us on 9558021233. Ignite online robotics platform.